But it just goes to show that you can be doing this for years and still make huge mistakes. My small business is growing so quickly here ever since we've launched in America. I just wanted to quickly show you what else you can use these 4x6 labels for. Hello guys, welcome to my little blue cottage on the lake. I am a soap maker and a small business owner, and I do everything out of my small home here in this little blue cottage. And that is what I'll be showing you guys today. I'll take you down to my studio where I have to make some product. I also have to do a bunch of things around the house. So it's basically going to be a days of my life where I'm going to be super productive and take you guys along with me. Kill and I have been living in this home for almost a year, and it took us about a year to get used to everything. We arranged our furniture a certain way, and we've rearranged it since then as we lived in the space and really got to know it. And one of the big changes that we've made is this room over here. This used to be Kale's office, and he worked out of this room when he works from home from his 9-to-5 job. And the longer we lived here, the more we realized that the second bedroom is hardly being used. So we thought, I need more space. How about we move your office to the second bedroom, and I can have this room for my hobby room, whatever room, extra overflow room for my small business. And he agreed. So my small business is growing so quickly here ever since we've launched in America, and I've been so busy. I haven't been able to get to everything that I've wanted to get to. Let me share my chaos with you guys. Welcome to my new hobby room, and this is also going to be the place where I'm going to be editing my videos and where I'm going to be doing a lot of my lasering and other hobby things that I've been doing. It's going to live in this room. This room is a huge work in progress. Right now the walls are pretty bare, but I do plan on outfitting it to look like a great cozy space where I'll want to retreat to do my hobbies, to do my editing, just to give myself nice little hobby hole, pretty much. If you guys are noticing a different vibe to this video, it's because I'm filming this on a new camera. This is the DJI Pocket 3, and I'll actually show you what I'm talking about. Let's see. And this camera is tiny, but not only is it tiny, but as you've seen for the footage I've filmed so far and that you've seen, the footage is amazing. It can do everything that my other cameras can do, and in some cases do it even better in a lightweight, tiny version of it. So it's so much easier to just pick it up and start filming when I want to, and I can get the shots that I want. And being able to just pick up my camera and start shooting right away really helps with my creativity. That being said, this is a brand new camera, so I'm still learning it. In fact, I've already filmed a vlog on this guy, and I was so excited to edit the footage, and I edited maybe, it was like a minute worth of footage, until I noticed that the next couple of clips were super sped up, and then my heart sank because I realized that I had somehow turned on the time-lapse mode on this camera and had filmed all of the rest of the video in time-lapse. And that was so frustrating and heartbreaking to discover. I sat on it for a little bit thinking, should I just post a video anyways and do a voiceover over the time-lapse footage? but I just decided to walk away and think about it a little bit more. And ultimately I just decided to refilm a brand new vlog, but I will include some of the footage here because I made an amazing scrub. I tried an emulsified sugar scrub recipe. And the thing about emulsified sugar scrub recipes is that they tend to get hard the next day, so they don't keep their super fluffy, soft, creamy consistency that they have when you first make an emulsified sugar scrub from scratch. But this one, it's a huge, huge winner. And later on in this vlog, I will show you that scrub so you can see the texture of it after a few days have gone by. I filmed the whole making of that on this camera and I wasn't able to use any of the footage. Here's a glimpse of that. It turned out amazing, but it just goes to show that you can be doing this for years and still make huge mistakes like that. But that being said, I still love this camera. I'm still getting used to it and I'll probably make more mistakes in the future. But the thing is, in order to get good at something, you just gotta keep doing it, even if that means making a ton of mistakes. It's a huge investment, but I think it's totally worth it. What I like to do before I start any work is to create a to-do list of the important things that I want to get done today. It keeps my day intentional and it really helps me not waste any time, and also importantly, to get stuff done. My desk is a bit of a mess, but that is okay. We are in transition mode over here. I just got a notification that a UPS package was delivered, so I'm going to go and grab it. Oh, hi, Dempsey. Package. Oh. I got these wooden bookmarks because I am wanting to make some custom bookmarks as a fun project. I have been loving laser engraving so much, and I promise you guys I will share with you what I do with it, because it's not just stuff that I do for my soap business, but the things that those machines can do just blows my mind. I got some live edge wooden coasters as well. And the last thing I got is actually for this camera, and they help with filming outside. So if I want to film on a really bright day, I can put one of these filters on and it acts like sunglasses for the camera. And this is what they look like. Oh, I'm so excited. Oh, and there's Dempsey wanting to come inside. So I will grab her. Okay. Hi, Dempsey. To prevent any more filming mishaps, I'm actually editing this vlog as I'm filming it. So that's what I've spent the last couple of hours doing. So far, I've been loving the footage and I'm so excited for you guys to see this vlog. But I think I need a break from that. So I'm going to step away and tidy the house a little bit. Kale saw a Riley Green concert with his friend and he'll be home with dinner in a couple of hours. So I think I'm going to tidy up the house so that the house is nice and clean when he does come home. What do you guys think should go on this wall? I really like this angle of talking to you guys, and I'm probably gonna feature this wall a lot. So let me know in the comments what your suggestions are. I'm thinking a photo wall or floating shelves for more storage, because you can never have enough storage, am I right? And over here, there's absolutely nothing. And I'm thinking more floating shelves, more storage, maybe a giant picture of my pets. I don't know. So on this desk over here, I'm planning on making this a sewing, crochet, knitting nook area. My mother-in-law actually gave me this beautiful sewing machine and I really want to get into sewing. So it's going to live, I think, on the far end over here. This is obviously my editing area, my computer area. And over here is going to be the lasering area. This beautiful bookshelf I'm going to fill with all of my materials, maybe some books. I can't wait to show you guys how this room transforms over time, and I'm so excited to be including you guys with that whole process so you can see its development every step of the way. All right, let's clean this house. I think I hear somebody. Kale's home. Hi.
Hi.
How was the concert?
It was a lot of fun. It was a lot of fun.
Oh my gosh.
Scratchy throat.
Scratchy throat because of all the singing you
Scratchy
did?
throat from all the singing, yelling. Yeah.
And you wore your special pants too. They're so happy looking.
I love that when I get tears here, I don't just have to throw out a pair of jeans. My mom can just patch them up for me.
Okay. This looks so good. This is a shrimp 3-star pad thai, and Kale got a beef 5-star. Good morning, guys. I just got a notification that I got another package, so let's go and see what it is. Hi, Chicky. I'll probably need Kale's help with these packages later on. They're a little heavy. Today I'm finally going to get to those sugar scrubs that I've been meaning to make. I have been putting them off, but I've got to make them today. So let's head down to the studio and get that done. But before I do, let me show you that sugar scrub that I was talking about. Here is that sugar scrub, and this color turned out so beautiful. It darkened to this burgundy red, which I think complements the rhubarb infused sunflower oil so well. Here is how it looks. I've been using it. Let me take this over to a sink so I can rinse it off with my hands. So I'm just gonna put my fingers in and scoop some out. And you can see that it's leaving my finger trails in there because it's still so soft. And here is that scrub. It just spreads so nicely. This scrub gets its color from alkanet root powder. It's a blend of that and a little bit of rose kaolin clay. I really wanted to get a reddish color naturally, and I got pretty close to that. So this scrub isn't a foaming scrub, it's just an emulsified sugar scrub. So this will turn into lotion once water hits it. See how it's turning white? That's because the water is pulling the oils away from my skin and allowing me to rinse it off cleanly without leaving a thick oily film. The scrubs that I currently make and sell are a foaming sugar scrubs, so they're a little softer, fuller, they have more of a cushion to them. They're not as spreadable as the one I just tried out, and I really like that consistency, but I've been loving the consistency of this emulsified sugar scrub a lot. And if you're more natural leaning, I would say formulating a sugar scrub like this will probably be more to your tastes because it just feels a little bit more oil-based and butter-based than the foaming sugar scrub, which is pretty much a whipped soap base. Oh, and that smell is so amazing. I use Village Crafting Candles Rhubarb Strawberry. And if you've ever smelled a strawberry rhubarb anything, this is exactly how that smells like. So you have the sweetness of strawberry with a little bit of tart rhubarb, and together it's just such an amazing, kind of a summery smell actually, but I really love it. I'm gonna be making a soap with this fragrance oil, maybe for the next video or the video after that. And I absolutely can't wait because I'll be using that rhubarb roots oil to make that soap. And apparently it's supposed to color the soap naturally a beautiful pinky red color. So in addition to making sugar scrubs today, I'm also fulfilling orders. And whenever I fulfill orders, I use these 4x6 packaging thermal labels from the Mun Bin, and this is where I like to print my shipping labels on. But did you know you can also use these for other things? And I just wanted to quickly show you what else you can use these 4x6 labels for. Just like I briefly mentioned, the Mun Bin is a thermal printer, meaning that it uses heat to print the information onto the label rather than ink, so it saves you a ton of money on ink. So here are the labels. I currently have two Mun Bin printers. This one is their older model and I need to hook it up to my computer in order for it to work. But this one is their wireless one and I have been loving how easy it is to use this Mun Bin machine. Without having to plug this into my computer, I can easily and quickly print anything from the sky. If you like making candles in these big 16-ounce mason jars, these labels actually fit really nicely on the jar. You can also use these stickers to personalize your packages. It's good to add a little thank you card in the box, but an alternative to that is making a thank you sticker that you can stick to the box directly. So here is my thank you sticker. I just peel it off and stick it on like so. And just like that, your box is customized. You can also use these 4x6 labels to customize the outside of your box as well. If you want the Postal Service to know that there are some fragile items in your package and you want them to handle the package with care, you can make fragile stickers to stick on the outside of your package. You can also create a thank you sticker that seals the package. And just for fun, I wanted to see what a photo would look like printed on the Mun Bin. And so I pulled up a picture of Dempsey, and this is the result. And I think that it looks so cute, even though it's definitely not the best photo of her. It's just a fun reminder of her that I could stick somewhere in my studio while I'm working. Thank you so much to Mun Bin for sending me those labels. If you want to check out the Mun Bin printer and the Mun Bin labels, there are links down below for you guys to check out. So go ahead and do that. They are an awesome, awesome company and I love their products. But that is today's video. Thank you so much for hanging out with me today. I really, really appreciate it. And if you like the video, give it a big thumbs up. If anything else passes your mind as you're watching this video, don't hesitate to leave a comment down below. And until the next video, keep smiling, keep being awesome, and I will see you in that next video. Bye guys.